Hi friends. We are happy to share our innovative prototype eco-friendly overhead water filling system. This is an eco-friendly automatic overhead water filling system. It is a prototype. This is our contribution to the 13th Sustainable Development Goal, climate action. Our innovative prototype conserves electricity and water. It helps to fight against climate change. Our innovative working model employs law of conservation of energy. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It consumes just 12 volt DC. It is low cost and we have used capacitors, transistors, relay switches, diddles, transistors, motor and some wires. There are two circuits in system. Motor driven circuit and the other circuit is water level indicator circuit. The three LEDs are given in the boxes which are blue light, yellow light and green light. Blue light indicates low water and mid light indicates yellow and green light indicates full. When the water level goes low in the tank, blue lights automatically blink. When the water level go on the mid, see here is an example. The yellow light blinks. When water level attains full, the green light will start blink. See, wait and see. The water level attains full level. Automatically when the tap is on, see the water is draining into the sump again and the level of indicator is reducing step by step. When the all drain, again the motor starts to sum to tank, increasing in the level. See, yellow, green, okay, attains full. Here we have inserted wires inside the overhead tanks, but in the future we are planning to make use sensors which is kept in the other side of the overhead tank.